everyone, my name is Arel. I hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prep my new daily insert for the month of March and April. So I am using this daily insert as my daily journaling / memory keeping. I posted a video of my whole TN update, how it went in February. I will link it in the cards right now, but for today I am prepping a new insert because I just finished one and I'm so excited. So this is 2 months worth of journaling and memory keeping that I have done, and honestly it feels so satisfying to be able to finish a whole book, and I am ready to try again for the next 2 months of this year. I will be decorating the front and maybe this first page, and then I'll do my to-do lists for both April and March, so we will do that. I have the 005 insert and it's the free diary daily from Travelers Company. I will link it in the description right now. As far as when it looks blank, and it's just this craft paper cover, and then it has the MD paper in cream color, and that's probably like my favorite paper from Travelers Company. So it has a index right here that I do use for my to-do list, and this is the daily pages that go from 1 to 31, and it is a square grid layout, which I love. It's probably also my favorite layout. And then this is the second month that comes with it, so it'll be perfect for March and April. And I'm honestly, definitely looking forward to just decorating and starting a whole new insert once again. So I have a few things that I kind of pre-planned-ish as far as what to put. I have this journaling card. I think I'm gonna put it in front because we are reaching spring pretty soon, and I honestly cannot wait. I am over the winter for both physical and mental reasons. I do have these stickers that I do use for the dates every day. So like there's one right here, there's one right here. So I both use these for January and February. But then these 2-month stickers, which I will also use, I will put them in the front as well, just sort of like a marker of what month these are when I'm archiving, so I can see them pretty easily. I have some stickers from Paper Minty and from Sterling Ink. I have my handy dandy letter stickers. I have these month stickers from My Happy Place stickers. I got them from Etsy. This sticky page flags, but they're actually stickers. My boyfriend got this for me from Japan, but I think I've seen these in Maido, I think, like some of those Japanese stationery stores here in the US. And then journaling days. And then these two guys are from Daiso. So very like spring themed. That's what I'm going for. And I'm very excited, so let's get started right now.